Welcome to the How Well Do You Know Your Stoves Christmas quiz. The concept is simple. I'll show you a picture. It's a part of a stove. It could be an alcohol stove, it could be a gas stove or a wood burning stove. Then you have to guess which one it is, but you've only got 10 seconds to do it. Then I'll reveal the picture. Here's an example. Yes, it was a Trangia alcohol stove. There's 10 stoves to identify, and I've tried not to make it too hard because I want everybody to have a good chance of getting these. So, without further ado, here we go. Good luck, everybody. How well did you do? Let me know in the comments. And if you thought this was a good idea and you enjoyed it, let me know also, because I may do it again in the future if there's enough demand for it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a happy and Merry Christmas and stay safe. InfoZhed out.